Hello everybody, welcome along to the drivers' press conference for the Monaco E-Prix. We are delighted to have Eric Vergne from DS Techeetah, Stoffel Vandoorne from Mercedes EQ Formula E team, and Norman Nato from the Rocket Venturi team. Good afternoon, gentlemen. Eric, we'll start with you. Welcome to Monaco, and I guess the big question is racing on the full Grand Prix circuit. You must be looking forward to it.
Well, I'm extremely, first of all, very happy to be in Monaco. Always been a great place for racing. And then, yeah, I'm extremely happy as well that we are able to race on the full layout. I have the feeling that the other one, the one that we used 2 years ago and before, was becoming way too small for Formula E. Now that we also have 24 cars, I think it was definitely the right decision. Yeah, it's a track that I love. Been racing for 3 years in F1 and yeah, always been quite good on this track, so very happy to be here.
How does the fact that there's no shakedown today affect you? Does that make a big difference, just going straight into tomorrow?
No, not at all. I think, I mean, for me, I know the track, so only the chicane is a tiny bit different, but other than this, it's the same that I know. You know, it's fine. I mean, shakedown is not even full power, so it's more for the teams to be able to check that everything is alright. You know, I think everything should be okay for tomorrow.
And how do you look at your championship so far? Obviously, the win in Rome, you're only 22 points off the lead. What are your reflections going into the second half of the season?
Obviously, I'm not too happy with the beginning. I mean, with the first half of the season. I don't think we are where we wanted to be. You know, on a positive note is we had a win. The other positive is that we are not very far away from the leaders, and that's something very important because we may be, you know, fourth, 50 points away, which would be bad. So I know that in one day I can catch up this delay and launch the second part of the season in a good way. But for this, we need to, I think, improve a little bit the car. We have a good powertrain, and we focused a lot on the, you know, on the software side, but probably not enough on the chassis. And you know, so far, Antonio and myself, we had some basic issues with the car in terms of balance, which, you know, can cost you dearly in Formula E, especially on a track like we've seen in Valencia. Yeah. So I think it's important that, you know, we just try and come back to some basics. And have a good car to drive, and I think, you know, we can do the job as drivers, Antonio and myself, to try and deliver, because the powertrain is good, the team is good, we know how to win races, so yeah, I think it's the beginning of Monaco. It's halfway in the season, and it's important for us that we deliver for this weekend and that we have a 1.5 months break to be able to get really ready for the end of the season.
Well, best of luck for the weekend. Stoffel, turning to you, another driver who's raced the full layout before. What are you excited about with it in the Formula E car?
Yeah, I think, like Rick said, I think it's definitely the right choice. We're racing on the bigger circuit, especially with 24 cars on track. I think the small track would have been, yeah, pretty difficult to deal with all the traffic. And I think this track will also provide more overtaking opportunities for us. So hopefully we can, you know, show that Monaco is it is possible to overtake, because in other series sometimes is, you know, when you're leading and then you don't make any mistakes, usually you win the race. It's yeah, still a difficult track to overtake on anyway, but I hope with Formula E that with the energy saving we're doing that we can put on a good show. And yeah, just excited to be back here. I mean, it's kind of a home race for me, so I get to sleep in my own bed, which it's a bit strange. I don't want to get too comfortable, but yeah, looking forward to it.
So basically, your win in GP2 was easy because you started at the front and it's easy.
I didn't start from pole actually. So, no, yeah, I have some good experience here, and you know, I raced here in F1 in GP2, won here in GP2 as well, and it's a track I really like. So yeah, it will be interesting to see with FE how it will be. I think it's gonna be a different kind of challenge, but it should be good.
Do you feel like Mercedes EQ are the favourites coming into this weekend?
I mean, it's hard to tell. You know, so far we've been very competitive at every circuit we've been going to, and we've actually won at every event. So it would be pretty impressive if we managed to keep that track record. But we got to be realistic that from Group 1 here is going to be probably a bit challenging in qualifying. But for sure the car is strong. We as drivers have been strong as well. And I think we just got to maximize the opportunities really this weekend. Is stay out of trouble, get the laps in, and I'm pretty sure the car will be competitive again. It's just a matter to see where exactly we'll be lining up.
Okay, good luck. Norman, finally turning to you, good afternoon. You've had success here before in different categories, and this is Venturi's home race, and you were strong in Valencia and Rome. You must be looking forward to this.
Yeah, for sure. As a driver in Monaco, you're dreaming about when you're a kid. I had the opportunity in the past to run in karting. I won the Monaco kart, it was when you were 17 years old and you're doing this kind of race, even if it means nothing, but for you it's a kind of dream to be racing in Monaco. So last time I was in Monaco for me was 4 years ago. So I'm really happy to be back on this track. First year for Formula E on the Formula 1 layout, so eventually it's a small change in the chicane. But I can't wait to be in the car tomorrow, and as you say, it's our own race for Venturi's, it's a special one.
How do you look at your sort of rookie season so far? Because, as we were just saying with Susie, twice you finished in the podium positions and then it hasn't worked out. Is that frustrating, or do you take encouragement from that because you've been there?
No, for sure it's frustrating, because when you cross the line, you have the feeling you did the job, but at the end, you're not on the podium. For sure it's frustrating, but on the other hand, I'm a rookie, it's my first season, and I was a bit far off in Riyadh. I didn't want to make any mistake, and I wanted to take time to learn and everything, and basically I was maybe a bit too conservative, so that's why I changed a bit mindset for Rome, and I said, okay, if you want to fight for top position, you have to take a bit more risk and accept that maybe you will do a mistake. And basically what we did in Rome, especially day 2, was quite strong, despite the disqualification. But in terms of performance, we showed that we were able to fight with the best teams and best drivers. And after Rome, confidence went up, and in Valencia, I knew we had a good car during the pre-season testing. The page was quite interesting, and again on race 2 we showed that we had a strong car, that I was improving on the energy management and just learning a bit more about Formula E in general, And so again I missed the podium, crossed the line in D2, but P5 at the end. But at the end it doesn't really matter, I prefer to show this kind of performance and keep learning, instead of finishing P9 and score 2 points, and at the end, I prefer this kind of thing. Podium, if we keep working like that and keep pushing, for sure, podium will come.
Okay, great. Best of luck. We've got a question from the virtual